Blizzard, we're gonna go on a walk. This is the second walk because I recorded a video, but it didn't work. I don't know what happened. So we're just gonna do a really short one because the other one was so long. We went around both blocks and stuff. Crazy. Blizzard, no. No, Blizzard. Blizzard, no. Blizzard, no. Please, no. Blizzard. Careful. Blizzard, let's just sit. Blizzard, sit. Blizzard, sit. Good boy. You're a good boy. No, Blizzard, you need to stay. He really likes grass, as you can tell. Oh my God, that's a crazy crow. I don't know if I got it on camera. No, Blizzard, no. He loves birds. Oh shoot. Blizzard. See, that's his alarmed face. He's very alarmed. Blizzard is also my alarm clock when I sleep in. And yeah. This is my first video on this channel. So, oh, that's the dog. Our neighbor's dog. What the heck was that? Well, anyways, bye. Say bye, Blizzard. He says bye.